and talk about patent and trade. Give us an example of an area that you're doing some modernization capability and enabling the customer base.
Well, I got to tell you, I love all the current answers because it's exactly along the same lines. But I will emphasize that the most important and significant modernization is not in the tools, it's in the head. Because the whole cultural thing, it's a mindset. So one of the cliches that I have within the organization is mission first, but people always. And so we always talk about people, process, and tools. The most important component of that is people. Now, can you have great processes and great tools? Of course, and you should. But as I was taught in the U.S. Army, you fight with what you got, not with what you want to have. And you don't bet the farm on emerging technologies when you haven't proven them out. The reason they're emerging is because they're new. They're not scalable yet. You haven't gone through the experience. Not to say that you can't scale up quickly if you find great benefit. And that seems to be the bureaucratic problem, the sense of urgency to get something out into the field, into the hands of people so that we can figure out how to scale. One of the greatest success stories in our modern battlefield was the ability to give technology to our lieutenants and captains in the field, in the desert, and then show how those information technology data sharing could actually help the battlefield and take advantage of different opportunities that people couldn't see before. In that same light, we are using artificial intelligence and really machine learning from big data analytics, training algorithms as an augmentation tool for our examiners. In other words, we're not letting the machines guide us. We are guiding the machines. And in this machine learning, we've been able to augment individual tools for individual examiners, and that's out there. So it's the people first mentality of what does it really require? What tools do they need to make them more effective, more optimizing it across? Of course, we're going to go for better, cheaper, and faster. But at the same time, it has to be around that person. Mission first, people always. Back to you, Luke.